All right, so good afternoon. So I brought this thing back. It worked good if you've been following along, and homemade cow feeder. Just try to save me a little bit of work. Everything worked fine. The only thing it was doing was, as I was wanting to put some fins in, maybe to direct the feed to the hole as it turned. So I got some flat iron I had picked up. So my intentions are to cut these and just weld them on a small angle inside. As it rolls, it'll just kind of auger the feed to the hole. So figured I'd do that just real quick and take it back over and today and feed cows. Hang with me. So to kind of show you what I did, let's basically put two angles. I kind of staggered them on one side, two on the other side, two on this side. As it rotates, it should help push the grain over to the center. So go feed some cows. So 10 gallons pretty much fills it up. It'll hold just a little more. Chucker, move girl, move. Watch out, girl, in the back. Quit. Move, son. think I'd emptied it. We'll look and see. It did. Tell before I put that feed in this hay, which they're really after just the feed, no doubt, but they will end up eating the hay. But they preferred this bale that was over here, which had a lot of Johnson grass in it, what it looks like. So the feed helps them clean up all of it. So it took me a minute to find some tools. I got right when I parked it, a hydraulic line blew out. So couldn't have happened at a better time. I was finished. So that was a good thing. Didn't happen, didn't make me walk. It's always a good thing. So I'll get one made tomorrow. See if I can get it off. All right, well, there's the culprit. Thank you for tuning in at Farming with Buster T. We really hope you enjoyed our videos. And if you do, hit that subscribe button and keep watching. We really appreciate it. I hope you have a blessed day.